Here's your latest video weather briefing from the National Weather Service office in San Diego. This is Alex Tardy, a meteorologist here at the Weather Forecast Office. The topic for this video is much colder weather expected and locally windy conditions, as well as scattered precipitation over the next few days. This video is about 4 minutes long. Let's take a quick look at the precipitation so far this year. Now, we had a little bit of precipitation, as you saw on Friday after Thanksgiving. So far the past 60 days, here's a look at California. Virtually central northern California, little precipitation, less than 25% of normal. Here in Southern California, we've done a little bit better. Most areas at least about 50 to 70% of normal, and right about normal for some of the mountain areas and especially into the deserts. This is the precipitation percent of normal for the past 60 days. Let's look at the table for the weather over the next several days and the impact. Well, wind will be an impact. Onshore wind will be increasing on Tuesday. It'll become quite gusty in the passes, and the strongest winds are expected Tuesday night into Wednesday. Locally strong winds will also continue on Thursday. Then we'll see a little decrease on Friday and back to some locally breezy to windy conditions on Saturday. Also keep in mind fog on the coast. The only chance for that will be tonight into Tuesday morning. The high tide will be significant, over 7 feet during the morning hours for Tuesday and Wednesday, then decreasing on Thursday. Frost and freeze will be a big impact once the cold storm system swings through Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. First for the mountains and high deserts, continuing for those areas, and then also spreading into the inland valleys for Thursday, Friday, possibly into Saturday. Scattered precipitation, we do expect some light showers developing late on Tuesday, in addition to a little bit of drizzle on the coast. The cold front will bring scattered showers for late Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, and then another weaker disturbance is possible for Thursday with some more showers. Keep in mind, snow levels will be quite low, especially as the cold front comes through Wednesday and again on Thursday. Snow levels on Saturday do increase to just above 5,000 feet. Take a look at the impacts for your area. Travel will be an impact due to some fog, and also travel during the week for windy conditions and low snow levels in those snow showers. Frost and freezes, that'll be an impact to sensitive vegetations in areas that have not seen such cold temperatures this year, which is most locations. And then also for small craft on Tuesday, continuing to Thursday, keep in mind the rough seas and the windy conditions over the water. Here's a quick look at some of the temperature change expected on Tuesday. Pretty significant change as we get into Tuesday, with a lot of locations 10 to 15 degrees colder than normal, and quite noticeably colder all the way to the coast as the marine layer deepens. Here's a look at precipitation totals. This is roughly a quarter to half inch for our mountain areas. Most other areas less than a quarter inch, and it looks like the lowest values in the deserts and along coastal areas. This is precipitation through December 4th. What's causing this surge of cold air? Well, strong Arctic high pressure will descend from the north. The cold front we talked about for Tuesday night and Wednesday morning will be moving through our region early Wednesday morning. Here's a depiction of where it'll be on Tuesday morning. It'll be north of our region, but quickly barreling down, changing widespread precipitation, snow showers, all the way to lower elevations. Where does this cold air come from? Well, the driving mechanism is the jet stream. The amplified weather pattern with strong ridge of high pressure in the northern Pacific is allowing this cold air to be driven southward and a little bit westward towards the west coast, clipping California and then swinging off to the east. This will be our weather pattern for Tuesday and Wednesday. The heart of the cold air will move across the Great Basin and Northern Rockies. The pattern lingers on Thursday as a final disturbance moves through, as shown here. Now, there is the possibility of another disturbance moving across and just clipping our region. That would be on Saturday. Here's a look at some resources for looking at the latest hazards, such as the beach hazard statement or the wind warnings. Check out the link at the top. You can also look at digital graphics of wind and temperature at the link shown here, or monitor the weather in real time. Always check weather.gov San Diego for watches, advisories, and warnings. You can also follow interesting weather, photos, and information on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.